Hello there. Now, you might be experiencing a frozen screen after you update your iOS to 16. This is a very normal issue that users are having right now after updating their iOS to the iOS version 16 and above. I have only one solution for for this one. It's called a force restart for your phone. Now, how do we force restart our phone? Let's check it first on the Apple website. To get here, I just search how to force restart iPhone. Now from here, just look for the one that's certified by Apple website. That should be this one right here. Now once you're here, please select your iOS version. So since we're having trouble after the 16 update, let's click on iOS 16, right? Now once we're here, it says just for task. Four steps to do is first is press and quickly release the volume up button. Press and quickly release the volume down button, so it's gonna be up and down. And then lastly, press and hold the side button. So after you click the volume up, please click the volume down as fast as you could. And then the next one is hold the power button or side button after pressing the lower button, okay? So with this, you might see a swipe screen to power off. Let me show that to you. Slide to power off iPhone, because I cannot power off it actually right now my phone, because it's gonna stop the screen recording. But if you see this one, please do not slide to power off. Please keep holding the side button or power button until you see your Apple logo pops off, and then your screen is gonna turn black, right? Please do not remove the hold on that power button until you see your Apple logo comes back. You only release that side or power button when you see the Apple logo comes back on your screen. That's how you force to start your iPhone. Okay? What this do is it's gonna refresh your data. It's gonna refresh your phone. It's gonna fix the iOS 16 freezing problem. Okay? And that's how you fix your frozen screen after the iOS 16 update. Please hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you.